আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমরা আমাদের ফ্রেন্ডের বাসায় বেড়াতে যাচ্ছি। এটা হলো আমেরিকান ফ্রেন্ড। তো আপনারা রিকোয়েস্ট করেছেন যে আমরা শুধু বাংলাদেশিদের সাথে হ্যাং আউট করি, তো আমার আমেরিকান ফ্রেন্ড কই? আসলে তাদের সাথে হ্যাং আউট করলেও সেটা তো সবসময় পোস্ট করি না, তো আজকে করব। চলুন যাই। আমি যখন প্রথম আমেরিকাতে আসি, আমরা তো সংখ্যা অনেক কম ছিলাম, যার জন্যে আমাদের তখন সবই আমেরিকান ফ্রেন্ডই ছিল। হ্যাং আউট করতাম সব আমেরিকান ফ্রেন্ডদের সাথে। কিন্তু এখন তো বাংলাদেশি ফ্রেন্ড অনেক হয়ে গেছে, যার জন্যে তাদের সাথে অত সময় দিতে পারি না। তো আস্তে আস্তে যোগাযোগটা আস্তে আস্তে কমে যায় আপনি যদি সময় না দেন। তো যাই হোক, তবুও আমাদের ফ্রেন্ড আসলে সব ধরনের ফ্রেন্ডই আছে। আমাদের ভিয়েতনামিজ, চাইনিজ, জাপানিজ, মিডল ইস্টার্ন, এখানে একটা মিক্সড কমিউনিটি। তো এটা হলো একটা সুবিধা যে আপনার সব দেশের কালচারের সাথে আপনি কম বেশি পরিচয় হয় আপনার। তো যে ফ্রেন্ডের বাসায় যাচ্ছি ওর নাম হলো হেলেন, আর আজকে আমরা তার বাসায় লাঞ্চ করব। আর আমার আরেক ফ্রেন্ড আসবে ওখানে মিট করতে, তার নাম হলো ডেবি। তো আমরা আমাদের বাসা থেকে চা বানিয়ে নিয়ে গেছি আর কিছু হট প্যাটিস। আমরা আমাদের বাসা থেকে হট প্যাটিস বানিয়ে নিয়ে যাচ্ছি। আমাদের খাবার আসলে খুবই পছন্দ করে, আমাদের বাসায় আসলে খুবই এনজয় করে খাবার। তো প্যাটিস আর চা হবে লাঞ্চের আগে অথবা পরে এক সময় খাওয়া হবে আর কি। বড় শহরে থাকার অ্যাডভান্টেজ আছে, আবার ডিসঅ্যাডভান্টেজও আছে। অ্যাডভান্টেজ হলো সব কিছুই হাতের কাছে, সব কিছুই একেবারেই সামনে পাওয়া যায়। আর ছোট শহরে একটু আপনার ড্রাইভ করতে হয়। কিন্তু বড় শহরে ট্রাফিক জ্যাম এত বেশি যে কাছে থাকলেও সেটা আসলে লাভের চাইতে লোকসান বেশি। আর এই যে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আমাদের রাস্তা, কোথাও কেউ নাই, রাস্তা খালি, কোনো ট্রাফিক জ্যাম নাই। এই জিনিসটা খুবই এনজয় করি, ট্রাফিক জ্যাম নাই। এসে গেছি বন্ধুর বাসায়। Alan, how you doing? Bob?
Hey, Mom, what's up?
How you doing? Say hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hey, how you
What's
doing?
with your pictures?
What are you making?
Video. Chicken.
Oh wow, chicken wings. I love them. Debbie, how are you?
I'm good. Love your jacket.
Oh, thank you.
Well, there's more coming.
Oh wow.
Bob doesn't
Okay.
cook small meals.
That
Really?
looks delicious.
Yeah, these are your favorite.
Yeah.
What do you call them again?
Patties. Beef patties.
Beef patties.
Well, you look beautiful. I love your sweater.
You look good.
Thank
She
you.
always looks cute.
So, did you hear any news about Borgata?
Hummus.
Yeah, everybody is leaving.
That's what I
Oh
heard.
wow,
Yeah.
lot of food, lot
Are
of
they
food.
definitely leaving? They're definitely leaving. Richard?
You have a nice house, Helen.
That's what I heard.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Hmm.
We like it.
What, that was what they were talking about last.
This is when you went to Hawaii.
Yes.
Okay. And your uncle made this, painted this one. Wow.
To me, he's one of the great artists.
What is his name?
Augie.
Augie.
Uh-huh.
Did you have any professional
No.
training or anything?
Just did paintings all over the house.
That is amazing. Really, truly. Very impressive. Oh, AJ Torano.
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow. Did Bob cook everything for us?
Yes.
Everything.
Well, Debbie did all this
That's nice.
and the coconut lemon cake over there.
Okay.
Good timing, it just came out of the oven.
He's great. He wanted to come today, but he had to work.
I know.
Who?
What's
Who's that for?
Bill.
Billy. And right now they're a little slow, so he couldn't get off. They have no shows this week at all.
Facebook or YouTube or something?
Whatever you want to do.
What's the name?
What do you think?
I'm spilling this thing all
They're
over
my
your
favorite.
tablecloth. by the way.
Pettis is my favorite.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this cooking.
It's good, isn't it? I invented it. I said, you know.
This is a little bit hot,
Yeah, that was a hot one.
even for me.
Really?
Yeah, this is chicken quesadilla. আর
Whippy.
Thank you.
এটার ভিতরে আছে চিকেন, হট সস, অনিয়ন আর ওই
Avocado.
avocado. But even for me, এটা অনেক ঝাল। Yeah, she made some tea for you guys.
Water to cool it down.
Coriander.
Well, I'm in Helen Town, so I'll hang there.
এটা হলো আমার বউয়ের প্যাটিসটা।
Cinnamon.
All right, I love you.
খুব মজা।
Bye.
Ginger. Garlic.
Here, shoulder. A headstand.
Oh no.
Thank God I didn't eat that spicy.
No, I'm not going for the spicy. I'm going for the mild.
Those quesadillas are hot, very hot. They taste good but very hot.
Just won't eat the whole thing.
Nothing in there.
Naan roti আর
And they ship sometimes
hummus.
nothing.
Man, it's horrible what they could feed people.
এটা হলো chickpea paste.
Or garbanzo beans. Garbanzo beans are the same as chickpeas. Yeah.
Okay. I taste the garlic. A little bit of sourness. Yeah, they're good. Where did the sourness come from?
They put
Lemon?
lemon.
Lemon in it?
Tahini.
And
Paste.
Lemon and sesame seed paste.
Yeah, tahini.
So lemon, sesame seed paste, a little bit garlic, and chickpeas paste all together. Oh my god. Very, very refreshing.
Coriander, sometimes coriander.
It's really good. Did you paste it, made everything, you made the paste and everything?
Sure.
A little bit of carrot.
I forgot it. They just announced.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
এই হামাসটা খুবই হেলদি একটা খাবার, কারণ এটার মধ্যে প্রোটিন, লেমনের জন্য ভিটামিন সি, আরও বিভিন্ন মিনারেল টিনারেল, খুবই হেলদি একটা খাবার। সেসামি সিড পেস্ট, and it's very tasteful, very tasty. It tastes really good. We'll try some of this beef fried rice that Bob made. Yes, and he made it specially for us. It's a beef fried rice.
I don't really put pork in fried rice. Usually shrimp.
Right.
You eat shrimp too?
Oh yeah, shrimp. We love shrimp. Okay.
I don't get chicken fried rice at Chinese places. I don't like the texture of the chicken.
Yeah.
আর আমাদের ধারণা যে বাইরে গেলে, বিদেশে গেলে এই ফর্ক যেহেতু বাম হাতে খাওয়ার নিয়ম, ব্রিটিশ নিয়ম অনুযায়ী আমাদেরও বাম হাতে খেতে হবে। আসলে এটা ঠিক না। আপনি যেখানে যান, রেস্টুরেন্টে যান, হোটেলে যান, আপনি আপনার মতো খাবেন। আমরা ডান হাতে খাই, আমরা ফর্ক দিয়েও ডান হাতেই খাবো। This is really good. It's really good. Very good.
Lots of baking soda.
She talked to
Little girl,
waitress.
real pretty. Got like 5 kids.
Yes.
So we went for America's Got Talent.
She's in theater.
She was at resort. She did a whole month.
Just put the fresh ginger. It didn't seem strong
Yeah,
enough.
ginger is very good for your health.
Yeah.
I use turmeric and everything now. Could you tell me that?
We did too.
Yeah, you used black pepper with turmeric.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
that's
it
what
doesn't
Muhammad told
absorb.
me. And when you told me
Yeah,
that, I looked
yeah.
on the internet. Everybody said the same thing.
Yeah, turmeric is amazing.
Make sure you use
Amazing.
black pepper with it.
I don't know if turmeric had something to do with that. I think turmeric has something to do with it.
How much did you eat? Like a spoonful a day or more?
You know what I do? I just put it in every. Yeah.
Eat. I'm full.
And you can
A restaurant, and it was a Chinese restaurant in Egg Harbor Township, and I was in the hospital for something, and the guy next to me just finished eating there,
Right.
and it's real dark in there. So his wife's eating, and he's eating his almond, whatever, and the almonds were squishy.
Hmm?
So he took out
Doesn't sound good.
his phone and went like this, and there were cockroaches all
my-
in his food.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
He didn't bring them; they were
You got stuff.
They-
Isn't it?
they were in it. Look, I'm such a slob.
But you caught it.
Yes, it was like
Like you.
just like me.
How was lunch? How was lunch?
lunch was good.
I'm full.
I'm full.
I had too much.
I'm absolutely full with a nice variety of things that really went together.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, every time you get invited somewhere, we end up eating more. Always.
Yeah.
And as a matter of fact, when in our country, especially weddings and special like that, people eat. Like, we have to eat. Today's a special day, so we gotta eat. And everybody end up eating too much, overstuffing themselves. Now time for some deshi tea. আমার বউ বানিয়ে নিয়ে আসছে বাসা থেকে, ওরা আমাদের চা খুবই পছন্দ করে। সো এখন আমরা আমাদের চা খাবো।
Milk.
It's milk tea, milk and sugar.
And sugar. Brown sugar.
No, the color came from the tea. The brown color came from the tea, not from the sugar. I don't think we have room. আমার মনে হয় না কারোর জায়গা আছে আর কেক খাওয়ার। আর Debbie brought this Louisiana crunch cake.
Where'd
I
you
know
get that?
this cake looks
Somebody
really
made
good.
it at a party.
Somebody made it. I forgot who.
Peggy?
Let me try some.
Carrot cake with cream cheese ice.
Oh my god, yeah,
Or peanut. What?
looks really good. And so this cake looks very sweet. It's a carrot cake, but খেয়ে দেখি কিরকম। It's very sweet.
What gave you the idea?
It has nuts. It's a good. It has like walnut.
Were your kids eat cake? Make their own too?
They found a brain tumor in my head. I have a quarter-sized brain tumor in the back of my head, but it's benign.
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's good.
So,
Betty has
it's
that.
just
You know Betty
there.
from work? Benign tumor. She's had it for 20
Yeah.
years.
And
She's doing real
Spanish
good
girl.
with it, too.
yeah, so
Goes out
Yeah,
with Victor.
yeah.
She's had a brain tumor for years.
yeah, it's no big deal.
Yeah.
It's benign.
As long as
It's
it
just like
doesn't
a cow.
grow
So
or-
as long as it doesn't grow, they just keep an eye on it. Whatever. I swear I'm falling apart. I'm not aging well inside.
Sometimes
they
they do
used
that.
The only problem is you want to roll in the mud all the time.
yeah. They used a Kevlar valve on him.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, nowadays I don't think they use pigs anymore because rejection is much higher.
And he has to take Coumadin every day so it doesn't get clotted
Reject,
around
yeah.
the valve.
Okay.
So if he gets shot right there, he won't die because it's bulletproof.
Superman.
But if he cuts himself, he bleeds a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that medication.
Yeah.
We should be living.
And we need something to die. It's like we don't die like all of a sudden. Some people do. It's like rare. That's
That
So
would
when
be
you
lucky.
die, you're going to be
Yeah.
reincarnated?
No,
No.
You don't believe in that?
We'll go for judgment, not reincarnation.
that's not considered reincarnation because reincarnation in a sense is that you die and you come back as somebody else or a different animal or something. But in our religious belief, we don't believe that. We believe that there will be a judgment day, like
Yes,
doomsday.
yeah.
After the doomsday, all souls will be called back upon and they will be all resurrected and not on this planet, not on this reality.
Right.
That'll be after the there will be judgment day.
There
After the
won't
judgment
be
day,
a-
good or
won't
bad,
be
and that's what we
time.
believe.
I thought
I'm
some
created
people
for
Hindu.
us.
Oh, Hindu.
Hindus believe in reincarnation.
Oh, yeah.
They believe
We
that
believe the same as you.
right.
Yeah, we
Christians
believe the
Christians
same.
believe the
Yeah,
same thing,
Same thing.
Yeah.
and Jewish believe in the same thing. Only Hindus they believe that we die and then we become as a fox or as a cat, depending on even Buddhists. I think they believe in reincarnation too. Yeah.
Yeah. No, we
Because
believe in
because
judgment.
because
Yeah.
Gautam Buddha was Hindu first. So when Buddhist people combination is like Hindu and their Buddhism.
Yeah. I think we should be living.
Yes.
You guys need to take a rest too.
Actually, I'm not going to stay and play games. Our car broke down, so I have to go to the city.
Oh.
And I'm leaving too, so you're by yourself.
What are you doing?
I'm going to meet my friend.
We had a good
okay.
time.
We had a great time.
Listen,
Everybody take some
it
cake?
was a pleasure.
No,
Right?
thank you
Yeah,
so
good
much.
seeing
Thank
you
you.
again.
Thank you.
If
So we'll
you
see you at
guys-
Ocean, but
Yeah, really, it was a lot of fun and we enjoyed.
today I have
Like
to
we
give
said, we
some
gotta eat good
friends,
food because
mother,
I forgot
if
it.
she's old.
Even though it's better than
And
most
now
places.
she
Right.
sold out that one, so I don't have to do that.
Everything's processed,
Yeah.
fried.
Her mom
That's
was
everywhere.
eating
Yeah.
something, and she's diabetic. She's this. I thought that I have to do that.
A food scale. When you were doing the gluten-free, you were supposed to weigh the stuff instead of measuring it. We never did the gluten-free. I've had the scale and never even opened it. Great seeing you.
Debbie,
You do smell good. That's why the bees like it.
That's Helen's Valentine's Day love from her husband. Just like every good thing has an end, and আমাদের এই get together end হবে। এখন আমরা বাসায় যাব। আমাদের we had a really good time.
Bye.
And
bye.
so thank you all for staying with us. ইনশাআল্লাহ দেখা হবে আবার অন্য কোথাও অন্য কোনো একদিন। ভালো থাকবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ। So I mean, you know, oh well.
Thank you for the stuff.
Bruce Springsteen in the back.
Wow, that's a nice piece. That is really nice. Wow, the detail is amazing. An old man with bearded man, right?
Yeah.
Wow,
He does all kinds of stuff like that.
it's a very good job. So বন্ধুদের সাথে সময় ভালোই কাটলো। আমরা মাঝে মধ্যে গেট টুগেদার করি সময় পেলে। এখানে তো আসলে আর তো কিছু নাই। আমার বাংলাদেশে তো বিভিন্ন কাজে বিভিন্নভাবে মানুষ ব্যস্ত থাকে। এখানে তো আমরা আমাদের কাজ শেষে অনেক সময় থাকে। এখন আমরা এইভাবে আর কি সময় কাটাই, বন্ধুদের সাথে সময় কাটাই। মাঝে মধ্যে আমাদের বাংলাদেশি পার্টি হয়, আর নাহলে এই তো আর কি আমাদের দিন কেটে যায় এইভাবেই।